From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
We've had a few of those puffy fair weather cumulus clouds across the area this afternoon, but we've been dry across the region. We're going to stay that way for much of the week ahead. No rain chances really. Here's the FUTURECAST breakdown as we head through the evening and the overnight hours. Mostly clear as we head into the evening, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s. And with that drier air in place, it helps us cool efficiently. So we're into the 60s overnight and mainly the mid to upper 60s. However, a few folks may get a couple degrees cooler than what you see here on our FUTURECAST by daybreak with mostly clear skies out there in the light wind. We warm up through the 80s as we head through the day. Maybe a few folks getting into the lower 90s here and there. I do think FUTURECAST may be overdone a little bit over the shoals, but I can't rule out some lower 90s. Most of us between about 87 and 92 across the area, mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Notice no real rain chances across the area. A few showers and thunderstorms being spit out on FUTURECAST north of our area. However, it was doing that on yesterday's model runs for today, and that ended up being too aggressive. So I do think we're going to be dry across the area for our Monday, and we're mainly going to be dry for much of the week as we don't have any big weather systems. We don't have a stalled frontal boundary near the area. We don't have a ridge rider pattern that we've had a few times so far this summer. So compared to last week especially, I do think we're going to be really quiet across the area. Now, as we get later into the week, and especially the weekend, especially by Sunday, we're going to start seeing a few showers and thunderstorms come back. And Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, we'll have to watch to see if we have to add rain chances back. Model data today has backed off of that, and the weather still looks quiet through about Saturday or so. However, it's kind of iffy, and we may need to add back a chance of an isolated shower or two. We'll watch that as we head forward. Otherwise, upper 80s, lower 90s for Monday. Everybody into the low to mid 90s as we head through the rest of the week, but no runaway heat as we head forward. Just what we should be this time of year. We're watching the tropics very carefully. What was yesterday Hurricane Dawn in the North Atlantic weakening now and moving off to the northeast. No threat to the United States. We have our next disturbance here in the Central Atlantic. There we're watching carefully. It's more disorganized today and yesterday than what it was on Friday. Thunderstorms not really co-locating with the center of circulation, and it's fighting a lot of dry air here, and it's about to be moving into some hostile wind shear. So National Hurricane Center has been lowering the chance of this developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm over the next few days, now down to 40%, and they may lower this even further. I'm starting to think this system kind of missed the boat for becoming a tropical storm as we go forward, but we'll still watch it. The next name on the list is Emily, but I'm not sure this is going to be named Emily as we go forward. But as always, we'll watch the tropics for you. Mostly clear skies as we head through the evening and overnight. Temperatures dropping out of the 80s into the 70s and then the mid 60s by daybreak with those mostly sunny skies to start our Monday. Maybe some patchy valley fog early in the day, and then as we warm up, that burns off quickly through the morning into the upper 80s to near the lower 90s in a few spots, but otherwise mostly sunny skies for our Monday. More the same over in northwest Alabama, upper 80s to lower 90s. Maybe some patchy fog near the Tennessee River early in the morning. Then that burns off quickly as we head through 8, 9, 10 o'clock as we start to warm up into the 80s by the late morning. Your 7-day forecast looks like this, mostly sunny for a Monday and Tuesday, and honestly staying dry through Saturday here. We get to Sunday, and that starts to change with a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two on the board, but no widespread rain here on the board for the next 7 days. There's your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.